Hi, boys and girls. All right, so we're going to start writing a personal narrative this week. Some of you may remember doing this with me in small groups before we ended school. So, when we were in those small groups, we were talking about something that's happened to us that we wanted to write about. Some of you thought about birthday parties. Some of you thought about the first day of school or vacation or a trip to the zoo. You had all these wonderful ideas you were coming up with. So, our first step today in writing this personal narrative, because we're kind of starting all over again fresh, is I want you to come up with 6 topics you would like to write about. Now, we're going to end up narrowing that down to 1. But first, try and think of 6 things that you think would make a good story. 6 exciting things that happened to you, maybe something important to you that happened. So here's how we're going to set up our paper. I need you to just get a plain piece of paper, or even a piece of notebook paper is fine. And at the top, you can write brainstorm if you want. You don't have to. I did, okay? First thing you're going to do, we're going to want 6 boxes here. So if you look at my paper, I'm going to make 2 lines down, nice big lines. I'm kind of going to separate my paper into 3 chunks here, okay? Then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm just going to go right across the middle, almost like a tic-tac-toe board, but not really. Now I have 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put 6 ideas in there. You can draw a picture. You can write words. Just 6 quick ideas, just like you saw in that brainstorming video. So each box is going to have an idea. Once you write your ideas down, look at them again, kind of think about which one you think would make the best story. Which one would you want to read about? Which one do you really want to write about? Are you really excited about? Okay. And circle the one that you like the best, that you want to share with us all. Okay. And we're going to be creating our own story doing this. All right. I will hope that you come up with some really great ideas. Pick your best one, circle it on your paper. I look forward to seeing this from you. You can send this to me in Class Dojo or email so I can see what you've chosen and how your brainstorming worked out. And then tomorrow we're going to do the next step. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.